Now, Somalia was once seen as a failed state, and with its violence and lack of governance, that's not an unfair description. But it can also be seen as a land of opportunity. In fact, Ethiopians are moving to Somalia in their thousands, even though Somalia is a much poorer country. Have a look at this now from Hamza Mohammed.
The message is clear. They are not welcome. Somali soldiers are willing to enforce this with force if necessary. Every vehicle entering this town is searched for migrants. Drivers caught bringing migrants in risk jail time or a hefty fine.
Most of them come by foot because most vehicles refuse to bring them here. We have deported many of them and we will continue sending them back. We cannot cope with this number of migrants.
But these men told me the threats of deportation will not stop them from trying their luck. Abdi Muse Kalon worked for 4 months to get here. Along with 10 other Ethiopian migrants, he has found a job on this farm, also owned by an Ethiopian.
I chose to move here for security reasons, and because I found a job. This is my second time coming back here. I went to Oman to find work, but was deported. I'm staying here.
This is Ethiopian neighborhood of Bosaso. Just 10 years ago, this part of the city was exclusively inhabited by Somalis. Today, it's not only home to thousands of Ethiopian migrants, but also thriving Ethiopian restaurants and shops. While many of these migrants help boost the local economy, some local leaders want to see them deported.
We are not happy with their presence. They've brought many problems in terms of health. We don't know what health issues they may have. They brought criminals to this town like people smugglers. They're also putting pressure on the job market.
Kalon knows Bosaso is not home, but he is not going anywhere. Soon, he will save enough money to bring his wife and children